Welcome to this X8R video demonstrating the install of our new Ford heated seat button repair kit. This style of button is found in a wide range of Fords, such as Transits, Fiestas, Rangers, Customs, Couriers, and many more. The button works by pushing it in, and a lever holds the button in place and activates the heated seat mechanism. To turn it off, you press the button again. It releases the lever and it turns off the heated seat. The common fault is that the lever can bend or snap, resulting in the button not working. These buttons are available to purchase from Ford for around £50, but they are easy to take apart and fix using our repair kit. Here we demonstrate the mechanism within the button and how the lever operates. Here is a lever we have removed from a functioning button. The design itself is flimsy and can easily break. Here is a broken lever removed from a button that doesn't work. As you can see, it is bent and almost snapped. This is because the original levers are die-cast, meaning they are flimsy and likely to break. This is our solution. Our design is thicker and machined from billet stainless steel, making it much tougher than the original part. To carry out this repair, you will need a flat-headed screwdriver. Firstly, remove the button from the vehicle. Then take the flathead screwdriver and prise it between the plastic connectors. Do this on both sides and the button will split in two. Be sure to do this gently as you do not want to break the button. This will expose the original lever. Gently remove this and replace it with the new X8R lever. While holding the lever in place, guide the bottom half of the button back into the top half, making sure the lever goes into the open section here. Push it in until you hear a click from both sides. And that is the button fixed. Give it a few clicks to ensure the new lever is secure and it is ready to be fitted back onto the vehicle. Thank you for watching this X8R video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us via the email or the phone number on the screen.